What if every League of Legends champion had their own personal AI coach? One that just didn't sound like them, but actually understood how to play them. That's the idea behind FortunAI, my submission for the Rift Rewind Hackathon. It's a champion-specific AI coaching assistant, starting with Miss Fortune, the lane-dominant ADC who spikes early, farms fast, and punishes missteps. Unlike generic dashboards, FortunAI doesn't just summarize stats. It teaches how Miss Fortune herself would coach you. Here's how it works. Players enter their summoner name and tagline into the front end, which I'll do right now. Also, FortunAI for the time being allows you to hear her voice for a brief second. I'll play it now.
What's your in-game name and tagline?
So now I'll go ahead and enter the summoner name and tagline. And FortunAI connects to my AWS hosted backend, built with fast API, Lambda, and API gateway to fetch the recent match history from the Riot Games API. From there, it runs a Miss Fortune specific analysis layer, not a generic league template. It tracks metrics that actually define how to master her, such as CS at 10 minutes, deaths pre-mythic, and dragon presence. So, instead of saying, quote, you need better KDA, FortunAI understands Miss Fortune's rhythm, win conditions, and mistakes. It's like having a mentor who knows exactly how to lane, spike, and carry as her. Once these insights are processed, FortunAI generates personalized feedback written in Miss Fortune's own voice and personality. Currently, the feedback appears as text-based advice, but the backend already integrates Amazon Polly, ready to synthesize her voice in future versions, so she'll literally talk to you. This design blends analytics with immersion, so players aren't just shown data, they're cached by the champion herself. Coached. Everything runs servicely, using AWS Lambda with API Gateway as the public endpoint and Amazon Polly handling voice synthesis. The system is lightweight, scalable, and cost-efficient. Now, Miss Fortune is just the start. This is the long-term vision to expand FortunAI into a network of champion-specific AI mentors, each with their own analytical logic and voice. So how is this different than OPGG's new AI? Well, OPGG AI explains only how you played. FortunAI explains how Miss Fortune would have played. It's the difference between analytics and empathy. Your champion coaching with you with your stats, not a generic dashboard giving you advice. FortunAI shows how AWS AI services can bring champions to life, not just as characters, but as intelligent mentors who help players grow. Thank you, and I'll see you in the Rift. Last but not least, you can also type to Miss Fortune here. You could say something like hi, and then we say the backend's quiet, maybe she's loading. Let's try tilt. So we can say, even bounty hunters have bad games, darling. Just reload and go again. So that is my submission for the hackathon, and I thank you for listening.